Okay, y'all, today's video we're going to be trying a couple different things. I'm going to use the Color for Days palette by Beatsbydeb Cosmetics and the nude palette. I'm going to use a few shades from this palette, a few shades from this palette, and see what works. Each palette does come with a mirror that I actually really love. They are very compact. I mean, you see, I love that. Pretty much it's a little bit smaller than my hand, but that works out for me because when you're traveling, like, nobody wants to have a big palette. Like, come on. It's like a third of the size, which I appreciate. So thank you, Dad, for that. Okay, so this is the look I'm gonna do. Oh, it didn't stop. That's the look I'm gonna do by Deb. Can you see that? Yeah. She just used like brown and a little bit of orange, I think it looks like. Barely any orange, and cut the crease. So that's what I'm gonna do. I wanna just do one eye and then come back. I'm also doing TikToks. You already know the deal. If you don't know and you new, I be doing TikToks. Well, I be filming. That's why it be taking me so long. You will see the TikToks before you see the content, because the content takes too long to edit. Anyway, I'm gonna figure out my eye look and then I'll come back. No, I'm gonna still do it now. Ooh, that's too much. Oh my goodness. I really want lip fillers. Like, okay, I'm done.